Hello, my cute little babies. Good morning. I, Parita ma'am, is here today to teach you something very interesting. Okay, so are you all ready to learn? Okay, today I'm going to teach you about pet animals. पता है पेट एनिमल्स का मतलब क्या है? पेट एनिमल्स वो होते हैं जो हमारे साथ हमारे घर पे रह सकते हैं. They are just like our friends and family members. Okay, so let's see which are the pet animals. Okay, children, tell me what is this? Which animal it is? A dog. Dog is a pet animal. रखवाली मैं करता हूँ, रात को कभी न सोता हूँ, जोर जोर से भौंक कर बुरे लोगों को भगाता हूँ. मैं हूँ टॉमी, आपका बेस्ट फ्रेंड. Now which animal is this? Cat. Yes, cat is also a pet animal. छोटी छोटी प्यारी प्यारी मैं हूँ एक बिल्ली न्यारी, म्याऊं म्याऊं मैं करती हूँ, सारा दूध पी जाती हूँ. My name is Kitty. Hello. Yay, hello. Which animal is this? A rabbit. Rabbits are very adorable pets, right? Yes. This is a bunny rabbit and he loves to eat carrots. Hello. And the last one is a fish. Come on, sing with me, children. मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है, हाथ लगाओ तो डर जाएगी, बाहर निकालो तो मर जाएगी, और पानी में डालो तो जी जाएगी. Today you have learnt about pet animals, right? Come on, say with me. Dog, cat, rabbit and fish. These are pet animals. Let's revise pet animals one more time. This is a dog. Dog is our best friend. He guards our home and he loves to eat bone. This is a cat. Cat loves to drink milk. This is a rabbit. Rabbit has long ears and he loves to eat carrot. This is a fish. Fishes are very colorful and pretty and they can only live in water. Now, let's do an interesting activity. For this activity, we need blue color paper sheet, some paints and some sketch pens. On this paper sheet, we are going to make an aquarium. We will use our thumb and make small fishes through thumb printing. Now I'll take red color on my thumb and press it on the paper like this. Now I'll take blue color and press it again. You can even mix colors as fishes are colorful. Now I'll take yellow color and make yellow fishes. Like this. So many colorful fishes. Now we'll take black sketch pen and make fishes' eyes and fins. One by one. we will draw an eye and fins. You can take the help of your mama to make an aquarium like this. I'm sure you will enjoy it. All the fishes we are going to draw eyes and fins with black sketch pen. How nice it is looking. Now take blue color pencil and draw water on the paper sheet. Fishes cannot live without water. They need water to live. So we will draw water like this with blue color pencil or sketch pen, anything you can use. Now we'll take green color and make some greenery. How nice it is looking, isn't it, children? See how nice, beautiful and colorful fish is. I hope you liked it. Okay children, bye-bye for today. I hope my videos made your learning more fun and exciting. Enjoy your day.